Negative ions can increase the body's non-specific immune activity by strengthening mononuclear phagocyte function, increasing antibody levels in the blood. Experts review that animals suffering from anaphylaxis breathed negative ions, which were found to lessen the severity of the sickness and shorten its duration when compared to the control group. In 1980s, Xi'an Medical University published the following profile of negative ion treatment. According to a large number of medical research, negative ions have remarkable therapeutic and improvement effects on the human respiratory system, cardiovascular system, brain system, prevention, improvement of malignant tumors, and immunological system.